Hey guys, this video was getting long and I was up against a YouTube deadline for content, so I'll just start you off with the teardown phase of the backseat rebuild. You'll see there are hog rings all around the perimeter of the base holding on the upholstery. So first things first, we're going to take those off. Now you can get by with a regular old side cutter, but these hog rings are tough. So you need to have a pretty darn strong tool. I've also used a needle nose to essentially twist off the hog rings. This can be a little tricky because you got to get at the two ends of the hog ring. So today I'm going to try using this compound cutter. Yeah, this works great. I tore down both back seats, but I'll only show you one in order to save time. I don't absolutely have to pull out these old rings, but I'm doing it because when I handle this upholstery later, I don't want to slice myself. Oh yeah, this is something here too. There's a screw here, and this is on the front, the leading edge of the back seat bottom, and it meets up with a clip on the back side. The screw is used to attach the seat bottom to the car. There's a small bracket that bracket there, so the screw will go through and then into the seat. Keep it steady. There's a little clippy. And don't lose that. Now, see how easily this vinyl comes off. Some staining, not unusual. See where all the threads let loose. Okay, I'm still connected. Aha. Let's see, you got some more clips down here. You just go like that. Now that seat cover is liberated. Now we can go around the rest. Okay. Got that edge. This edge is free. Nope. Still got a one down in the corner here. I thought I saw, yep, there's another one. Alright, this corner's free. Now we got to get all the clippies on this side. Okay, that side's free, this is free. Now the back. That one right there. Hiding in the corner. There's more. I got another one hiding hiding out down here. Trick will be getting the cutter on it. Now you can also use a Dremel tool with a cutting blade on it, cutting wheel, but you know, you risk damaging other things in the process. I think that's the last one, knock wood. This looks like it. So we can pull out this bit. So we got hog rings all the way around on this batting. Oh, comes off. Huh. This will go into the media blaster. And one more. Okay, one more to go. Take out the 3 sort of longer screws. Then this bottom piece. 4 short screws. Okay. 4 smallish screws. First, doesn't really matter. This is already loose. Stud and washer. 3 Phillips screws. These are machine screws, unlike those other ones that are sheet metal. Take the handle off. This also has a machine screw, but it's just a tad shorter than those other 3 guys. Let's keep that there.
I later realized it might be easier to leave these screws in place until after you knock out the little shear pin on the release shaft.
Two big fat machine screws. Let's do what I did on the other side. Like I said, I don't want to scratch that plate. I put you here. It almost feels like I pull it out. So again, we've got the carriage bolt with a washer on it. Let me first take off these side trim pieces. Two screws. doubtful that I can get this off without breaking that. Oh, maybe I'll get lucky. So I don't know if that broke when I pried it off or what. I didn't see when that piece came off. But there's a spring-loaded rod.
Be careful with these tabs. You can only bend them back and forth so many times before the metal fatigues and they break off.
Okay, there we go. It's got a date on there. I want to say March 21st, 1966. Looks good.
The seat back springs are attached to the metal backing plate with 4 sheet metal screws. I didn't really need to take them out, but I wanted to remove the surface rust from the backing plate and inspect the springs. I didn't think of it at the time, but if I had removed the cushion from the springs first, I would have had an easier time accessing those first 2 screws. Next, I stripped both seat bottom frames down to bare metal. After spraying the seat frames with green self-etching primer, I sealed them with gray urethane primer. Then I finished them with 2 coats of black paint. In part 2 of this video, I'll install new burlap, foam, and vinyl. Then I'll reinstall the seats in the car. Thanks for watching.